Welcome guys, today again we got the Toyota Corolla 2004. So today we are changing the spark plugs on this car because these plugs are done. So first of all we have to remove that engine cover that has two bolts, 10 mm socket. You can use it to open it. After that, these are the four ignition coils and these are 10 mm bolts which you have to remove to take out the coils out. After removing all 10 mm bolts, you have to unplug these connectors to take the coils out. After unplug this connector, you can take these coils out like this and put it over there. Make sure all of your coils are dry. There should be no oil on these. If there is oil on these, it means your valve cover gasket is leaking, so you have to remove that thing and change the valve cover gasket. So to remove the spark plug, we need 14 mm socket and that extension. There you go. So that one is 15, but we were going to use 14, and the extension and that socket. Sorry guys, so instead of 14 I was wrong. You have to use 17 mm socket. In that you can insert it and you can open it with the ratchet. So that's the new plug guys we are putting, and that's the condition of old plug. As you can see, it's already done, and today we are replacing with the Denso Platinum, which we got it from Amazon. So guys, once we are done, we can put coil back and tighten these 10 mm socket, and then put a cover back, and that's it. That's how you can change the spark plug. Thank you for watching my video.